Enye into ke ngoku andithi it's hard for us as South Africans kulento ka Nyambose yoba eshonile. Izaba nzima ke for us as South Africans to believe into yoba umuntu ushonile singasibonanga isidumbu. Number 1. Number 2, kungenziwa ngama DNA test. Number 3, makuziwe nalamzimba sifuna ukuyozihlolela ezabantu basemzantsi ukuba nguye na, because thina bekukho isituation apha kabantu banwetsen engathembakali ncam ukuba ithini na, asikabisho ngayo uba yaphelisini, but kwathiwa ushonile ke, but kwaba namagingxigingxi neenkulumo eziningi lapho. Ngoku kule kaNyambose ke ngoku sikhohlwe nakulila ezimdeni womzantsi ngoba kaloku sisafuna uba sure ushone ngokwempela, ngoba kaloku sakhe kwathiwa uThabo Best ushonile. Kwakhe kwathiwa uThabo Best ushonile, jikijiki nanko koma Sandton ko-Woolworths, jikijiki nanko koma Arusha koma Tanzania. The next thing u-appearishe court njalo nje nankwehlele ePretoria eGosi Mampuru ngoku. So sila singabantu basemzantsi sila guys sifuna ukuba sure ushonile lo bhuti, yebo noma cha, makashonile iphi into eshoyo ethi ushonile, bekwenze kanjani, was he ever suicidal, u-22 floor, if lento yenzeke eParis in France, then chaza ukuthi kune footage ekhoyo, because eza country zeziyazipha phezulu ke sana, meaning that ikhona ifootage ezosibonisa uba nankuya eziphosa. We wanna see uziphosile or someone pushed him or kwenzeke kanjani na, sifuna yonke lo information ichoyo. Mayeshonile sifuna ukumbona esehla pha eyotshona kule ndawo acholwe kuyo ukuze afunyanwe eshonile. Sifuna ubona ifootage ukuthi because we know eza countries eziyana zine footage guys, akufani nala eMzantsi. Eza countries zine footage everywhere, so sicela ifootage ezosibonisa ukuthi ubaba ushonile, sizokwazi ke ukugqwala emswaneni njengomdini, sikhale sonke, sihlale kwenzela namakhandlela azolayitwa, kubekho amakhandlela. Isifo asikwazi usamkela singekabisho ngestory sakhona. Sicela istory sihlangane, sicela umzimba ufike eSA, sicela iDNA zenziwe, sicela ifootage ebonisa yena eziphonsa ezantsi, if akaziphonsanga sicela ukubona ifootage yalapha ngaphezulu. Was he pushed or ebeyi-1, was he with people, kwenzeke kanjani? And why ingakhange ibonwe immediately after it happened? Why only in the morning? Bekusenzeka ntoni from 3 o'clock in the afternoon mabegqibela ubona ifoni yakhe? There's a lot engasound right. So sinenkinga singabantu basemzantsi, sifuna ukwazi sana, sinemibuzo after that Thabo Bester saga and after that Ntontoni Wetsen saga. Asisafuni nje ukwamkela noma yini, sifuna ukuhlonipha kahle ukushona komuntu ngendlela eright umna wethu, but ngoku asikwazi ukuyenza lonto leyo if kune questionable situations. Abasinike yonke information is a front video. Sicela footage please. Footage would help resolve all these issues. And footage ezosibonisa kahle siyamazi thina sorry siyamazi thina uNyambose wethu ukuthi unjani na. So sifuna ukubona nankuya uNyambose and uyi-1. Funeka abonakale eyi-1 kuleyo floor leyo kulo 22nd Ntonto. Sifuna umbone eyi-1. Sifuna umbona eziphonsa. If upushiwe ubani omphushile. If kunomuntu okhulumayo omphushayo sizoyibona isayini yoba emane ebheka le nale. Sifuna ukubona konke nje please, like kukhona ongahlangani, khona ukungahlangani, khona okungahlangani. So nje please asingenzwa kanjalo singabantu basemzantsi thina sila bethuna abo Thabo Bester situation basenza sangabantu abahleli nje ba nyani ushonile nyani, especially if igama lakhe belikhela nje kancane pha kwiMadlanga. And also besides that yoba belikhela athi nje kancane kwiMadlanga Commission, ebekhe waba nguMinister of Police at some point elifini. So naye kunezinto nje akuzofuneka esitshele ngazo, because he needs to I think he is dying with a lot of secrets zakwa-ANC. He's dying with a lot of them. So ukushona kwakhe makube kukushona okuqondile, kungabi ngokusolisayo ukuyenza imibuzo, instead of sizokwazi ukuzila ngokufanelekile. Nithi nini na, because mina ngithi kunesandla semfene lana, inesandla semfene lento, inesandla semfene ngeke, inesandla semfene. Khona ongahlangani kahle, khona okufuna ukubuzisa imibuzo eminingi, and bese ngiyasibuza izinto if ever. Let me see abantu bathini kwi social media about this situation very fast. Sifunde nje ama comments ambalwa, sibone mhlambe I'm not the only person who's thinking like this. I wanna go on Twitter and check out ukuthi abantu bathini, because it doesn't sound right. Ikhona into engasoundi kahle khona nje, khona okungasoundi kahle lana. Okay. Let me see. Funa ukubona sana. Let's go here. Bigger looks and about a lot of things. Trending topics. Okay, he is trending number 1. Let's see. Bathini abahlali. Whatever Nathi Mthethwa was doing there. Okay, what was he doing there? 22nd floor. Okay, and then omunye ubhalile 2 hours ago, RIP to the corrupt South African ambassador to France, Nathi Mthethwa, who passed on at Hyatt Fall Hotel in France. Nathi assisted his niece. And then Omye Nathi Mthethwa didn't just fall from the 22nd floor in Paris. He fell carrying 15 years of ANC secrets, from Marikana to shutting down the Scorpions to hollowing out the police. His death raises one question: how many more will lose balance before the truth comes out? Oh my God. Omunye ati, who saw the body, Mara? Are we even sure it's really him? This better not be another Thabo Bester fake death. Do you see? People are asking question. Ati omunye, someone tell Bonang about Nathi. Yo, she loathed that man. Omunye ati Bonang. Ay man. Nathi Mthethwa is trying to pull a Gavin Watson on us. Yabo, he thinks we are all from Hammanskraal. What's going on? We will probably have more of these kinds of death in the duration of the Madlanga Commission. Okay. Someone posted, oh yes, the assassination begins. Hashtag Madlanga Commission, Nathi Mthethwa, Paris, Gavin Watson, hashtag Julius, hashtag. And then someone said, oh, he was gonna come. So, possible witnesses: Lieutenant General Dumisani Kum, Cedric Ngabinde, Chief of Staff, Dr. Kotle Bernard, Honorable F. Ada, His Excellence President, Mr. Dipe Rumal, Sunable, General Godfrey Rebeya, Sithole, Nathi Mthethwa. Okay, no, I don't know how true is this list. I don't know. And then the president posted, the ultimate passing of Ambassador Nathi Mthethwa is a moment of deep grief in which government and citizens stand beside the Mthethwa family. Ambassador Mthethwa has served our nation in diverse capacities during a lifetime that has ended prematurely and traumatically. We really need to find out, because it is indeed traumatical how he died. Who pushed him, if he was pushed? If he fell, what was he doing up there? If he did not just fail, why would he want to take his own life? And there's a message that said that he sent a weird message to his wife. Anyway, guys, and that's that when it comes to that. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.